Hello everyone, friends, this is Valor on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install or make a bootable Windows 10 flash drive. Alright, connect the flash drive and it should be empty, I think. I'll try it now. I have some files here, but I'll still put Windows on it. For this, open the browser. Type in Windows 10 download here. Go to the official site, only the official one, because you could download a virus otherwise. The official Microsoft site, select Windows 10 Server here, click download now, open the Media Creation X file, click the accept button here. Here, choose create installation media file, meaning a flash drive. Click next, select the system language version and bit size. Then click next and select the flash drive. Here it is. And click next. And the installation is underway. Once it's done, you'll have a fully bootable flash drive. There's no need to wait because in the end, it'll just show a completion file. Alright, to use it, just select this bootable flash drive when you're installing on a new computer or laptop. Valor was with you. Goodbye, everyone.